And it took us a while. Wasn't the easiest. She's full of treasures. But the thing I like the most, honestly, is the bed rails. And the underneath is not horrible. It's like they had it in a barn. I mean, those floor pans are gone in the front, but that's typical. But as far as the bed frame and the bed, it's all solid. For the most part, the body's straight. Probably gonna need a new tailgate, unless I can weld her up. But I don't think she's too bad. Not too bad of old fine for old redneck like me. She's my year, 1968 GMC. What would y'all do? Would you leave her stock? Or would y'all go ahead and hook it up? I think I'm gonna get the stock motor going first. Which it all seemed to be there. See if I can open that thing. Hold on 1 second. There she goes. Oh. Woo-wee. Look at there. Rust for days. Oh, coming up out there, I reckon. That ain't too bad, actually. I've seen a hell of a lot worse. Thinking about just hooking the battery up. Throwing some juice to it. See what she does. See if I can get her to crank. Look at that little skinny battery turbo. Oh my God. Whew. Come out of there, baby. I don't know. What do y'all think this old thing's worth? Leave me a comment. I appreciate you. Have a good one.